Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Tezos. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. The first level we can plot, which is obvious on our chart, is our monthly swing high. Now, we also notice a level around this area here, but we're going to hop over to the weekly time frame so we can see more clearly the swing highs and the swing lows. So, let's start with our most recent price action. Now, we have a key level right here. Price came down, and we've seen a reaction to the level before breaking through. As price came back up, we've seen another reaction to the same level, reversing drastically. Now, we also notice a key level right here. We have a reaction over here, and we see price reacting to the level here. So, we are into the week, and we can notice that price is below the key level. But we want to wait for this candle to close to fully confirm the reaction, as we're still early in the week. Now, what can we see here? We see another key level. So, we plot it on the chart. We notice multiple reactions to this level, acting as support and resistance. Notice the long wicks here reacting to the level, and as price dropped below the level, we see candles reacting to the level as resistance. So, we can also notice if we extend this support level here, look how it lines up with price action here. We see reactions around the same level, and we see long wicks reacting to the level as support. So, if we look more closely, we can plot in our weekly swing high, and we notice a key level right here. We have rejection with drastic moves to the downside, and we have a rejection with drastic moves to the downside. Now, we also see reactions as support, making this level very key. Now, we also have a key level right here, which we're going to use as zone. So, we see price came up, hit, and reversed. As we see price come up, hit, and reverse again. And we also notice price reacting to the level as support from this long wick here. And we see price reacting as support from the long wicks here and here, as it bounces between our two key levels. So, we have reactions to resistance and support. We have multiple reactions across the chart, and this level is obvious to spot from these swing highs and these swing highs over here. So, these are all the key levels plotted on the chart. If you guys enjoyed this video and got any value from it today, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.